Hey guys, today I'm here with going into the field of project management and how to get a certification. So one of the topics to get a certification for PMP is understanding the different types of project life cycles. So I will not be using the traditional method of just listing the features of what is the different types of project management. I would be giving you case study through which we will be studying each of these different types of life cycles so that you have that kind of an understanding of how it is used, where it is used, and what are the different features of each and every different type of project life cycle. We don't know when I explain to you the theory portion, you will only be understanding it in theory, but when I give you a case study, you'll be able to understand the different life cycle in a better way. So here you see, you have okay, so everything becomes unpredictable. So what we go for is something called as adaptive life cycle. So these are short cycle sprints that are take done, and through these sprints we will actually give some deliverables, and after these deliverables are done, after completing a number of sprints, the entire value product or services given. So these are short cycle ones. Here this is continuous learning. That means there will be changes which will keep happening, and continuously the customer or the end, the top management basically will keep getting some deliverables constantly, so that if there are any changes, you can do it as and when it comes. So here the time required for the project is not constant, but we are able to do it fast. We are going to adapt to the changes fast. Okay, so this is what is called as an adaptive method. Okay, now the next incremental. So hospital insists on launching basic outpatient services in China. Okay, but AI labs can come later. So AI and these are some things which are higher in level. So those can be done later. These are incremental lifestyle. So first, what is my deliverable? Is OPD, pharmacy, and then I will do AI monitoring. So first is my OPD. So I have to start with my operations first. Okay. The next scenario is hospital building structural design, elevators, wards, fire safety. These are non-negotiable and must follow strict laws. So what would you choose? Which type of project you choose will be predicted. So here the scope is fixed and everything cost is budget is also fixed. But if there are any changes, they are going to be costly. Then there is going to be upfront planning, fixed work breakdown structure, limited scope for changes. So for the same healthcare example, we have given you three different scenarios wherein you can use three different project management. So one is aspect is scope, wherein in predictive it is fixed and upfront, and incremental it is going to be in iterative manner. So that means one after the other, it will get completed. So it is delivered in phases. Next is adaptive emergent. Emergent means as and when the issue arises, we will keep changing our uh, changing our deliverables as per customer requirement. We keep doing that. Next is change handling. It's very easy to embrace, increment and manage per release. So after the release, you can do it. Predictive, it is very simple. Next is risk management. Risk is continuous, partial risk, and in predictive, it is risk is upfront, and afterwards it's the risk is okay. So if the government suddenly demands telemedicine compliance, then we will be adapt. If hospital board wants pharmacy wins in 3 months, so they are not telling you that the entire hospital has to be operational with AI, with pharmacy, with OPD. No, they are saying only this one portion of it. So incrementally we keep improving in phases. So second phase will be pharmacy. Third phase will be AI compliance. Okay. So fire requirements fixed fire exit plan. So first I want to do this. So this will be a project which will be finished. Uncertainty is less. We know what are the norms, which what checklist that the fire department will check, and based on that, the timelines, cost, everything can be aligned. Okay, so what are the managerial insights? Right, hybrid mindset. So sometimes if you when you are going for such projects, it will be a mix or a hybrid structure. Okay, so predictive for the building, adaptive for the AI, implementing for the different other services. Allocate budget per life cycle, fixed cost for the build, building, rolling wage is for the AI, and milestone based is for the service. Okay, so this is how you can remember it. So the word which we here use is heal. So heal क्या है? Hardwired, evolving. This is additive. That means incremental. And here is the link together. Using this mnemonic, you can actually remember. Okay, so what is E? Hardwired, which is predictive. E, which is evolving, matlab it is adaptive. A is additive, and is linked together to do this entire hospital project. Right? So let me know how you like this video. We'll go to the next case studies if I get positive response. Thank you.